In this video, we listed the 5 best LCD microscope on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Andonstar Digital Microscope. The Andonstar AD249SM Plus is a versatile video microscope designed for high-definition imaging with a magnification ratio ranging from 1500x to 3000x. It features a trinocular drawtube and is constructed from durable metal, ensuring longevity and reliability. The device is equipped with a 4-megapixel high-definition sensor and offers various lens options, allowing for magnifications of 18-720x, 1800-2040x, and 60-240x. With a minimum focus distance of just 4 mm, users can enjoy a 7-inch or 10-inch screen display, UHD video output at 2880 by 2160 resolution, and the ability to capture images at a maximum resolution of 4032 by 3024 pixels. Their microscope supports video formats in MP4 and can connect to PCs, with storage provided via a microSD card, up to 32 GB. Its package includes essential accessories such as a metal stand, 3 interchangeable lenses, a remote control, and various cables, making it a comprehensive solution for detailed observation and analysis. Additionally, it is certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS, highlighting its compliance with safety and environmental standards. Number 2. TOMLOV DM9 SE Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 SE is a versatile USB digital microscope designed for a wide range of applications, featuring a 7-inch rotatable LCD screen and a high-definition 12-megapixel camera that provides impressive image clarity and detail. With a magnification range of 50x to 1200x, this portable microscope is ideal for tasks such as coin inspection, electronics repair, and educational exploration. It includes 8 adjustable LED lights to ensure optimal viewing conditions and allows for easy connection to PCs for larger displays, compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. Their microscope comes with a convenient remote control to capture images and videos without camera shake, and it includes a 32 GB microSD card capable of storing over 10,000 images or 600 minutes of video. Built for durability with an aluminum alloy base and extended post, the TOMLOV DM9 SE is designed for ergonomic use, making it an excellent choice for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 3. Opqpq ODM501 Microscope. The Opqpq ODM501 is a versatile 10-inch HDMI LCD digital microscope designed for various applications such as coin collecting, soldering, watchmaking, education, and more. Featuring a 10.1-inch advanced HD IPS screen with a resolution of 1024 by 600, it offers a clear and colorful viewing experience with a wide 178 degrees viewing angle. The built-in polarizing filter reduces glare and reflections for better contrast, making it ideal for observing reflective objects like coins or metal surfaces. With a magnification range of 10x to 1300x and 3x digital zoom, it provides detailed views of microscopic objects. Their microscope is equipped with dual rechargeable batteries, 2000 mAh for their microscope and 1800 mAh for the base lights, for extended use, even during fieldwork. Additional features include USB and mini HDMI ports for real-time viewing on PC or TV, an adjustable stand with a large working base, 8 LED lights with 2 auxiliary lights for optimal illumination, and capabilities for photography and video recording at up to 24MP and 1080p resolution. It also comes with a wireless remote control and a 32 GB TF card for convenient operation and storage. Overall, the ODM501 is a highly functional tool for both professional and hobbyist use. Number 4. TOMLOV DM9 LCD Microscope. The TOMLOV DM9 7-inch LCD digital microscope is a versatile and user-friendly device designed for a wide range of applications, including micro-soldering, examining small living organisms, and observing coins. It features a 7-inch rotatable Full HD screen with a 12-megapixel camera and 1080p resolution, providing high-quality images and videos for an enhanced viewing experience. With a magnification range of 50x to 1200x and 10 LED fill lights, plus 2 adjustable lights, it delivers detailed and well-lit observations. Their microscope is compatible with Windows and Mac OS, enabling larger-scale viewing and easy data sharing. It comes with a 32GB SD card for ample storage and a rechargeable 18650 lithium battery for long-lasting use. Constructed with a durable aluminum alloy frame, it is ideal for tasks like micro-soldering or circuit board repairs. The package includes the microscope, remote control, USB cable, stand, and base, making it a comprehensive tool for students, adults, and young learners alike. Number 5. Andonstar AD209 Microscope. The Andonstar AD209 is a dual-lens digital microscope featuring a 10.1-inch LCD display with 1080p resolution, designed for a variety of applications such as soldering, phone and watch repairing, antique identification, jewelry inspection, and more. It offers adjustable angles for multi-angle observation, a metal bracket with 3D visual effects, and a sturdy metal baseplate with clips to secure objects. Their microscope is equipped with 2 LED lights on the base for sharper imaging and supports memory card recording and photo capture. With a magnification range of 3x, 200x for lens A and 13x, 80x for lens L, it accommodates diverse observation needs, including circuit board inspection and coin or stamp collection. It provides video resolutions up to FHD 1920 by 1080 at 30 fps and photo resolutions up to 12 m. The device supports up to 128GB microSD storage and is powered via USB 5 VDC. Certified with CE, FCC, and RoHS, the AD209 comes with a metal stand, power cable with dimmer, 2 lenses, metal clips, and a 1-year warranty, making it a versatile tool for professionals and hobbyists alike.